In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Relume Figma kit. Let's dive right in. To start off, the first thing you'll want to do is make your way over to relume.io/dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. For those of you who haven't yet created an account, no worries. It's a quick and straightforward process that shouldn't take more than a minute or so. Once you've got that sorted and you're inside the dashboard, shift your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a menu there, and amidst the options, locate and click on Figma Library. This will bring you to a list of resources, and right at the very top, you'll see the Relume Figma kit. To begin your design journey, all you need to do is click on the Open in Figma button. At this point, a new tab will pop up on figma.com. In case you're not logged into Figma yet, take a moment to sign in, or if you need to, quickly create a new account. It's pretty hassle-free. Once that's out of the way, go ahead and click Open in Figma once more, and just like that, you'll find yourself inside your Figma workspace with the kit ready to use. Now here's where things get really exciting. The Relume Figma kit is packed with a staggering collection of over 5,300 components, all at your fingertips to customize as you see fit. Whether it's layouts, UI elements, or any other component you have in mind, everything is fully editable. You can zoom in, make adjustments, and tailor each element to precisely match your style or the specific needs of the project you're working on. The intuitive design makes it incredibly easy to manipulate every aspect, giving you the power to bring your vision to life with efficiency and ease. And there you have it. You're now equipped with an incredibly powerful design library that can significantly boost your productivity and enhance your workflow. It's a game changer for designers looking to save time while maximizing creativity. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If it has, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. And of course, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.